Most drivers think all dash cams are created equal. But what if your camera misses the critical details during a sudden brake or a nighttime drive? Today, we're breaking down the Vantrue S1 Pro 2.7K dashcam and seeing if it truly delivers the clarity and safety features it promises. Welcome to Autovated. Today, we're diving into the S1 Pro, a compact dashcam boasting STARVIS 2 imaging, 2.5K at 60 frames per second, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and advanced driver assistance features designed to keep you safer on the road. I've combed through expert tests, verified buyer feedback, and competitor comparisons to give you a complete, unbiased look at what this camera can and can't do. Starting with the key features. The S1 Pro uses the STARVIS 2 IMX675 sensor paired with an f1.8 aperture, delivering 2.5K recording at 60 FPS. That higher frame rate eliminates motion blur during fast-moving traffic or sudden stops, making it easier to capture crucial details like license plates. Vantrue's PlatePix technology enhances clarity even in low-light or backlit situations, and HDR ensures balanced exposure in challenging lighting. Think tunnel exits or nighttime city streets. The camera is compact and installs easily behind your mirror, supporting microSD cards up to 1 TB, giving plenty of storage for long trips. Advanced driver assistance system alerts you to lane departures, potential collisions, and pedestrians, all while offering voice control in 12 languages for hands-free operation. Finally, the S1 Pro provides 24/7 security with 4 parking modes, ensuring pre-recording, motion detection, and collision-triggered recording, even when your vehicle is unattended. Pros. The 2.5K at 60 FPS recording delivers sharper footage than standard 30 FPS cams, making license plate capture more reliable. Night vision and PlatePix tech significantly improve low-light clarity. ADAS alerts and voice control enhance driver safety without distraction. Compact build ensures discreet installation, and support for 1 TB cards is excellent for extended recording. OTA firmware updates and an 18-month warranty add peace of mind. Cons? Installation behind the mirror may be slightly tricky for first-time users without prior dashcam experience. The camera isn't compatible with PD fast charging, so you must use Vantrue's included power cables or charger. Some users report that ADAS alerts can be overly sensitive in certain scenarios, which may take adjustment. Compared to competitors like the Nextbase 622GW or Blackview DR900X, the S1 Pro holds up well in image clarity and low-light performance. The 60 FPS recording is an edge over the 30 FPS Nextbase for capturing fast incidents. However, Blackview offers cloud connectivity for remote monitoring, which the S1 Pro lacks. Price-wise, the S1 Pro provides strong value for the features it includes, though if cloud access is a must, you might explore alternatives. The build quality feels solid, with a durable plastic housing and well-sealed ports. STARVIS 2 and f1.8 optics indicate long-term reliability for high-contrast or low-light recording. Vantrue's customer support is responsive via email, and the 18-month extended warranty after registration gives extra reassurance. Who's this dashcam for? It's best suited for daily commuters, families, and tech-savvy road trippers who value crisp video and hands-free safety alerts. If you're a performance driver or need real-time cloud monitoring, you may want to compare other options. If you're finding this breakdown helpful and want to stay in the fast lane of dashcam insights, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell to keep your dashcam knowledge running smooth. In conclusion, the Vantrue S1 Pro is a strong option. It excels in video clarity, night performance, and driver assistance, making it one of the better choices in its class. For those seeking maximum low-light detail without breaking the bank, this is a solid pick. For tighter budgets, consider slightly lower resolution alternatives. For cloud connectivity, Blackview is worth a look. Thanks for watching. If you want to grab the S1 Pro, check out the links in the comments and description. Got questions or already own one? Drop your thoughts below. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. Until next time, keep your rides safe and your footage crystal clear. Only here at Autovated.